Hi, the AI guy here. Let me walk you through how to build a simple Langchain app, LLM-driven app using OpenAI, Streamlit, and then let me show you how to deploy it in Hugging Face. Let's deploy that app in the Hugging Face, and also I'll also show you how to use the open models that are available in Hugging Face to build this app, LLM-driven app. So let me show you how to do this. So what is the Langchain? Langchain is a framework to build LLM-driven applications. This is an open framework. Let's install this. Let me install Langchain. I already done this code, and I also wrote the text meaning of what each and every command does. I'll also attach this in the video. You can walk through this. So, and then I'm also trying to install OpenAI, and then I'm trying to create an environment variable called OpenAI API key. And then I already created this OpenAI key by logging into platform.openai.com. And then you can also create this own API key. Or you can just go to platform.openai.com and then create this open key, and then you can use that key over here. So this is how it's using this key. This is how you're gonna talk to the environment of OpenAI and then verify it. And also I'm trying to import a class, OpenAI class from Langchain.llms. And then I'm trying to instantiate that OpenAI class. Now I'm also passing two parameters. One is model name, text dimension -003, and other parameter is temperature. What is the temperature? The temperature is the randomness, how random the model should be. That's what it tells. So 0.7 means that I'm trying out with the maximum randomness for this model. And then I'm trying to ask a question: what is the currency of India? And then it's telling. And then I'm passing that query to the LLM, and it's stored in the completion. I'm trying to print the completion. It says, yeah, currency of India is Indian rupee. And if you change the random, you can change the randomness of the model. Maybe you can write it out like 0. Let's see how it works. It doesn't change well, but we can ask it what is the explanation or formula of x plus y whole square. I'm asking this math question. Can you explain me x plus y whole square? Let's see what it does. See, it's taking time. Wow. The formula of sum of two squares is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus x square plus y square. The formula is derived from the distributive property. So if anyone needs a personalized math tutor, this is the best application that you can use it to answer your homework even. And let me walk you through how to build the same application, same thing using Hugging Face. I'm trying to like here we are using the paid version of text dimension model, right? But I'm trying to do the same thing using an open model that's available in Hugging Face. What is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is like the place where the models will be available for machine learning, like how Kaggle is for data sets for us, right? It's the same way for machine learning for models. So I'm trying to install Hugging Face Club, and then in the same way as we do with the platform.openai, you can go through the Hugging Face and then create a key, and then you can pass the key over here. And then in the same way from Langchain.llms, I'm importing the Hugging Face hub class, and then I'm passing the repo of the model. This is the model that I'm using, and I'm trying to create I'm trying to instantiate an object with that, and I'm naming it as LLM. And I'm trying to pass a query: what is the currency of India? It will give us the straight answer rupee. I think we can also try it out temperature over here. You can play it with later. I'm trying to ask the same thing, like explain me x plus y whole square formula. Let's see how it does. But this is the free model that's openly available in x plus y square root of the square root of okay. Okay, this. Okay. X plus y whole square is equal to what? Let's see how it works. X plus y. So maybe this model might be so dumb and it's not trained in solving math equations. So let's go with OpenAI. Okay, let me also walk you through how we can build an. Let me walk you through my Hugging Face. So this is the first LLM bot that I had built. For this I'm using the text dimension model, right? So it will work. I'll ask a question like, what is the currency of India? Wow, it works. The currency of India is rupees. Okay, let's ask much complicated question. Explain me the uh, formula of x plus y whole square. Let's see whether this works or not. Oh, it works. The formula of x plus y whole square is x square plus 2x plus y square. This is formula is to calculate the square of sum of two numbers, and it's derived from the distributive. Yeah, it works. Like explain great. Oh yeah, it gives an example as well. Okay, let me walk you through the code. First of all, let's go to this requirements.txt. So what are the main requirements for the app we need to build? Streamlit, of course, and then the Langchain. What is Langchain? Langchain is a framework to build LLMs, to build apps with LLMs, and then OpenAI. And then we have to create an environmental sample. This environmental sample file has the OpenAI, and then this environmental sample creates this key, right? So and then we need to create this key in settings, and then we need to upload the key that we initially created using OpenAI over there. So and then let me walk you through lab.py. So yeah, basically here the entire code is written using Streamlit. I think it's better to duplicate, and at one slide I will explain the code, and on the other slide I will show the app demo of the app. So in the first slide, we are just importing the Streamlit as HT, and also from Langchain.llms, I'm trying to import the OpenAI. From here, this is a function to load the answer. I will walk you through that step, this function, when we use this function, and let me walk you through this. What this code does, like this is just like setting the header, like page title is Langchain demo, and then page icon is robot. So this is the page icon robot and Langchain demo. We are just configuring this. Like it's just like it's using Streamlit. We are trying to build this app. So Streamlit is also a framework rather than we if you use HTML, CSS. This is a simple code to build applications. And Streamlit.header Langchain demo. Yeah, this is what we are using. And then this is a function to get input text st.text input. This is where we are getting the input, and then yeah, and then keycode input. So this user input takes the input that we had entered. We can also apply different text splitter options, like you can even split the text, or you can all apply this different types of transformations of text over here in this function, and then you can later load it to the user input. I'm just trying to show you that as simple as possible. And then let's move. So after this user input has the user input, and let's say if we were asking what's the currency of India. So this is the user input that we are entering, right? This user input will be passed using this text input box. This is the box, right? So using this function takes that, and then it returns it to the user input, and then that input will be passed as a parameter to the load answer function. So it will load what this function does is it will load the answer to this question or prompt, and it will give us the response. Okay, what this load function does, let's go over here. So it has the LLM equal to OpenAI. So it does answer the question. So we use OpenAI to instantiate that object of LLM, and then we are trying to answer the question, and we are returning out the answer. So response has the answer right now, and after as soon as we click the code generate, it will be passed to the OpenAI, and it will tell the result like the currency of India is in Indian rupees. So the submit equal st button dot generate. So as soon as if we click this button, submit will be true, and if submit is true, it will display answer and the response. You already has the response in the code, right? So that's how it works. It's so easy to build LLM driven applications right now. And also, I will also walk you through how to build a chat application. So we can do so many things with LLMs right now. Maybe a classification, a question answering app, or a chatbot. So let me walk you through how to build your personalized chat model app in your next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.